Sign convention, kapag initial velocity natin nandito, initial point. So, kapag hinagis mo siya pataas, so magta-travel siya at a certain distance. So, yung S mong masasolve dyan is positive. Tapos, kapag yung, again, yung initial point mo, ay yung final position mo, nasa ibabaw na initial position, yung position niya ay positive, no? Tapos, kapag syempre upward yung velocity initial or final velocity, positive yung velocity. Kapag negative yung na-solve natin, ibig sabihin downward siya, no? Then, ganun din dito, again, kapag nasa ibabaw ng initial position yung final position, positive yung position. Then, kapag nasa ilalim naman yung final position ng initial position, that is negative yung S. Tapos, ito din, kapag nag-travel siya pataas, yung final position niya nasa ilalim ng initial position, yung position natin is negative, no? And then yung gravity natin, lagi natin ginagamit as negative. So yung gagamitin nyo dito, laging formula ay, di ba ang tatlong formula natin for uniform acceleration is BF is equal to VI plus 80. Teka lang. Tapos, ano isa? BF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2AS, and then S is equal to VIT. Pwede yung B0, no? BO. Kasi ibig sabihin na yun yung zero initial point nyo. BIT plus 1/2 AT squared. Kaso nga G negative. So, pwedeng yung formula yung ginagamit dito is BF is equal to VI minus GT. Then, BF squared is equal to VI squared minus 2GS. S is equal to VIT minus 1/2 GT squared. And, yung G natin for English is 32.2 feet per second squared, and then kapag metric, that is 9.81 meter per second squared. So, yun yung mga dapat yung tandaan for